Hey everybody, how we all doing today? I wanted to show you what I'm working on next and also show you how I do different things. Just a little, I guess you call it a tip. Um, Number one, I you never hear me say you have to do it my way. This is the way, only way to do it, and all. Everybody has different techniques. I don't believe in that. Everybody has good ways and different ways. You look at a lot of modelers; they do it all different ways. YouTube, everybody's got a different way. What I wanted to show you is how I do it, how I cut my doors out. Some people take a knife and scribe. I'm not gonna get into how you do that. You take the back of the knife and just keep scribing. But the thing is that's a lot of scribing to me, and so I wanted to show you quickly how I do it. Get the 82 Dodge. What I wanted to do, I don't know if you've ever said, well, I got all these plans, to do with this kit. Well, I got some ideas. I don't know if it'll work out. Hell, it might end up in the garbage. It might break. It might not work out. But I wanted to try detailing the inside and do a video on detailing the inside, how I would do it. And now, starting off with this, showing you how I cut the doors out. Now, on this kit here, let's get to the kit. As you see, the doors are not cut out. All right. What I did is I take my knife, and I scribe around where the doors are, all the way down. And a couple of times. Okay, you can see here. Then I put 4 holes, real small holes in each corner to meet. That's what I use, thread. Okay, I take off a piece, and then what I do is I take it and just grab it, both pieces, and almost do like a knife. Okay, see how it's going down there? Kind of hard to do it here. And what it does, it cuts down your pieces here to where, let me show you here. It cuts down where you took your knife and you scrape or cut into it, and all I do is use an X-Acto knife back of it. Now, if you look at the kit here, okay, the back of the kit, sorry about that, okay, it has no doors. Right here on this picture, had no doors. Now, also the top. So what I did is, now one thing about it, when you do this, if you look, you're saying, wow, that's a sloppy kit right there. Like right here, that's pretty sloppy. Well, it looks sloppy, but it's not. And then what I wanted to do was show you on the back of this, these are the 2 doors that have already been cut out. Okay? Out of the back. If you look, that's a neat cut. Took a little sanding, cleaned off the rough edges and everything. Okay? That's how I did it with that thread. Okay? And the thread works, to me, I like it. It's a lot easier And you just go back and forth. Take your thread, hold it, and just go back and forth. One tip is get you a long thread. See here? And it just cuts it all the way down. Takes a minute, but it'll cut it all the way down. And then what you have, let me pull this out of here. Show you all. What you have, if you see here, started up there, all the way down. Now, again, don't look at this and go, man, that's not going to be very neat. Because the back of this was done the same way. Okay? And like I said ago, these two are the doors that came out of it. Okay? Very neatly cut. No problem or nothing. Okay? These are the two doors. They were cut out of the back. Now I'm gonna have them open, so you know how doors work anyway. It's hard to try to hold it up there, but I wanted to make sure you all go, damn. All right, that's a great technique. It looks sloppy. And if you look here, I've already took on this side and come down with my knife. Then I go across the top here, and next time you see it, the doors will be open. That's just a quick thing I wanted to show you. We're going to try and do a little bit of detailing on this van and add some interior and make it a different color. I plan on cutting the door out also. This door here. Okay? Doing it the same way. You just cut it down, take your knife, and go along the edge. And then you take your sewing, your needle, your thread, and go with it there. Another way some people use, I've tried it, I use this, dental floss. It's a little thicker, but now the thread's too thin to just do it once. So what I do is I take and cut me a good amount and double it up. And then all I do is use it as a saw. Works great for me. And then, again, I want to emphasize, don't think, wow, that's going to look like a sloppy cut. If you look at that, that's a clean, square cut all the way across. Bottom, top, everything. So, we're going to try and do a little something with this and see what kind of, one day I'm going to figure out about why I can't get my camera, my lights to work. Maybe I need to start Googling it somewhere and get my lights to work. I can't figure it out. But anyway, we'll start rambling here and y'all will be like, okay, Mac, what the hell's that got to do with the video? Just wanted to show you what's next. Do up some different things. Like I said, hopefully the kid will work out. Maybe it won't, but I started off by, I want to cut doors open. I want to add some interior design because this is just a regular block van. There's no inside to it. You have your, that's it here. That's your side. As you can see, again, it's white. So, let me see. I'll put that over there. Will it help? There's nothing to it. And once I get started, then I'll show you again. But I wanted to do that. Well, everybody, see how this kit goes. And I looked on YouTube. I can't find nothing on how anybody's ever done one. I was like, to get some suggestions. So I'm going to just wing it. See what happens. Hell, I might mess it up and throw the whole kit in the trash. like you modelers, I'm sure you've done that. But anyway, if you have any questions, ask. Uh, Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I know I keep saying that every video, don't I? Okay, Mac. But anyway, and leave some comments. Everybody, all right, have a good day, and we'll talk at you later.